Is there?
And if you hear this sound, then go on, bend your back. Go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it.
How you make this color slime. Get your favorite color.
Okay.
Whoa, so frosty.
So we're gonna do this. Excuse me, Lord.
And
All right. And we have everything we need right here.
our channel, click down below. Get our channel right now. Press that bell. Punch that bell in the face.
Yes, there you go. Subscribe.
Yes.
See? So we have all the ingredients, and we're gonna use these.
Awesome slime kit.
Okay.
Let's do this.
All right. So let's get it. You said you want purple.
No, I
Lord.
want pink. Yes, I want purple. I do want purple. I
You
love
want
purple.
pink.
I
All right,
want
know.
pink.
Okay. Open this here. This is yours. So we're gonna mix it. We're gonna use those spoons.
This is
to
how you
mix.
make this slime. I'm so excited.
Glitter slime, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, first we're gonna pour this in here. There's like this. Not too much. We're not gonna make a whole bunch of slime. We don't want it to get
But
everywhere.
how can I put mine in there?
Yeah, but not a lot.
Ooh.
Okay. You got it. The camera can't see it. Okay. All right, that's good. Oh, that's good.
Nope. Don't
want
the blue.
I was gonna say don't let it go.
Hey, look. This is
Okay.
how much you need. Only a little bit.
Let's cover this up. You got your spoon? Open your spoon. Let's keep this here.
Now you gotta mix it.
No, not yet. I'm
Activator.
gonna pour it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it activated in there. A little more. Just a little. Okay.
Ew! It smells like poop.
Okay, we're not gonna say that.
I mean, it smells like frosted flakes.
Right.
Well, mine smell like flour.
It doesn't smell yummy because we're not eating it, right?
They're too purple.
Alright, we need something to. Huh?
They're too purple.
Pass me that, please, Lord. The white pencil. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
If you let me, I could open that without the white pencil.
Here, hold your cup up like this. Move the spoon is in the way. All right.
That is all you
just start
need.
mixing. That's it. Start mixing. And we're going to just mix until our ancestors are happy. Until it gets gooey. Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. Y'all mix it. Not too rough. You don't want it to splat out the... Go ahead. Keep going. Then we're going to see how much more we need. Whoa.
Whoa! Mine is turning pink.
Yours is already pink. Because it's watery. Yeah.
I know what happened. I put a little gray in there.
Okay. Nice.
So it'll be a little gray. Well, what I done, I don't put, I will put, whoa! Look, guys. I will put, look.
So cute. Yes.
I will put some donuts.
Okay. And you can move up a little bit so everybody can see. Yay! You mixing it? You want mommy to help you?
No.
Thank you. So we're gonna just mix it and mix it and mix it.
I send this to Kamaya. And I'm going to say we are real YouTubers. See us today. We will send you our address. To drive anybody towards our video. Don't
Forget to click the like button.
And make sure, guys, we have the best channel world. Subscribe, punch that bell. Don't forget
to hit the thumbs up button. So it's looking like this so far, but we
You're not supposed to touch it.
Yeah, we stood.
Nobody touch my slime, okay? I'm gonna
Okay.
get some gloves.
Okay, go ahead. Add a little bit.
I want it to be up too.
We're just gonna add a little bit more. They went to get some gloves. You know, the kids leaving mom to do all the dirty work. That's what we do. Get it done. I think I basically got it. You know, they say you gotta knead it after. So I'm gonna knead it for her. So do y'all do this with your kids? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
Until I come. Do I keep mixing?
Mm-hmm. Then you gotta take it out and start doing it.
Why don't we got a Bible?
Because you went to get one, I guess. All right. And we are done, guys. Salam. Come on. Look. Whoa, baby. You gotta mix it around. See like what I was doing?
Can you help me?
Yeah,
3 hours later. Too much.
Okay, put it in your hand and then show the camera. Go like that. What? Go ahead, pull it apart. You gotta get in the camera because you all the way over. Move over a little bit. Come closer. Wow. Okay, give me your. Woo! Ding, ding, ding. Give me your. Oh, thank you.
Oh my God, I got it.
You have to keep stirring. See, because you left it when you ran off. You should have took it to keep stirring it.
I want it.
Oh, you should have showed them your Spider-Man outfit.
And this is my Spider-Man outfit.
Oh, no. I mean, you having it on. He's so funny, Lord. You took it off. Oh, it's okay. All right.
Guys, when we make another channel, make sure, don't forget that button. And these are my socks. I got these from Target.
Alrighty. All done. Here you are, Lord. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
This was so much fun. So this is Elmer's. If y'all want to buy it, and it's at Walmart and Target. And it's so much fun. See, it has instructions on the back. So it's kid friendly and mom approved. Y'all have fun, guys.
Goodbye.
Come on, say bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Never grow up. Don't record yet.
What?
No, delete that. Delete it.
Okay.
Don't let nobody see Spider-Man's real face.
Okay, I won't.
Now do it. Open.
Hey.
It's a cool kid. Spider.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.